Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with another day of Vlogmas 2021. So this vlog is going to be day 22 of Vlogmas 2021. Yes, I'm behind by one day, but don't worry because I'm gonna catch up. And we have another like daily vlog, day in my life type vlog. This vlog is only going to be one day, so you guys are gonna follow me around and see what I'm doing throughout the day. I'm not sure if this will be like a full length vlog, a full length daily vlog, because I am supposed to be going to a Friendsmas event later. So if I end up going, I'm gonna do like a get ready with me and like a mini vlog of that outing. But for the most part, you guys are gonna follow me as I run my errands, as I get my life together, wrap some last minute gifts and whatnot. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below. Turn on your bell notification so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this video. So it's currently December 20, what's today? I don't know. So today is December 22nd. It's about 1:30 p.m. and guess what? Guess what I just finished doing? I just finished doing my nails. I'm gonna put my nails real far back here because y'all can't look at it too closely, but they definitely came out better than the last time that I did them myself. I did take the tips that you guys gave me into consideration, so thank you guys so much for leaving recommendations under that video. But they look alright, they look type alright, so I'm not even mad at it. And it did take me a while because I made sure to take my time so that everything came out nice and neat, nice and clean. So yes, my nails are finally done, because in yesterday's vlog I was cringing while I was editing it. I'm like, girl, you're not serious with your nails on camera like this. And I was dead serious. So finally got my life together. I did my hair too, as you guys can see. You guys saw in yesterday's vlog that I twisted it up, but I didn't show you guys the takedown. So this is the takedown. I use my TGIN daily moisturizer to twist my hair. So this is how my hair is looking, nice and bouncy, nice and defined, nice and okay. So I just got some packages. I'm about to go get them and unbox them with you guys. So I actually only got one package, and it is from, let's see if I can show y'all. Oh, they don't have the logo on it, but it's from Adidas. And I don't like how Adidas doesn't disguise who sent the package. Like, I don't like it. So I got my first pair of 450s. I won these on the Adidas Confirm app, and I wasn't a fan of them. And that's the thing with me and Yeezy, is like, when I first see them and they're like, oh, these sneakers are coming out next Friday, I'm never like, oh my god, I need those, until I see them on people's feet. Comment and let me know if you guys are the same way. But now I just assume like, I'm gonna just get them because I know once I put them on my feet and throw on a fit with them, they're gonna be fire. So let me open it up with you guys on camera. So as always, it slides out like the rest of the Yeezy boxes, and the sneakers are in here wrapped up. So these are them. These are the resin colorway, I think that's how you pronounce it, or resin. So they remind me, I don't know, they're like a khaki olive color. Can y'all see that? I don't know if it's really showing up on camera, but I was speaking to my friend Michael, and he was telling me like, if you go to round 2, you can trade it in for like a similar style. So I'm gonna try to trade these in for the white pair, because I really did want the white pair. I did get these in a size US 6.5. So let me just try them on to make sure the size is fine. Oh yes, this size is perfect. So this is how they look on my foot. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. They're cute. The color is throwing me off. Maybe I need to try it on with some things, but they're super comfy, so love that. But yeah, so I got these, and I'm waiting for another pair of sneakers that I actually also won on the Adidas Confirm app to come. And when both of them come, I'm gonna bring both of them to round 2 to trade them in, because the other pair I got the wrong size, girl. I don't know if I was lit, I don't know if I was drunk, I don't know if I was tired when I entered that raffle, but I put a 7.5, and I'm like, where would I ever be going with the 7.5? Even if they said go half a size up, go a whole size up, I still wouldn't be a 7.5. So I don't know where I was going with the 7.5, but I'm gonna bring that pair to round 2 to trade in for my actual size. So hopefully they have it. So I will vlog when I do that, but I have to wait for the other pair to come in. They're not coming until after Christmas. So I'll definitely share that experience with you guys in a vlog, so that if you guys ever have sneakers and they're not the right size, or you want like same style, different color, then you guys can see the whole experience behind that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready now, because I actually need to run out and run some errands, and I am gonna bring you guys with me, and I also need to charge my battery. So I will check in with you guys once I'm ready to leave the house. Okay, so I just got ready. I put on whatever, honestly. I'm just trying to go and come back home so I could squeeze in a nap. So yeah, I just put on whatever. I'm about to head to the store now. The sun is, but yeah, I'm about to head to the store now, so let's go so I could come back and get in my bed.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Back more. I don't know why you love me.
Yeah, I went to Home Goods to find one gift and it ended up with stuff for me. So yeah, your girl has new bedding, a little gift to myself, because why did I not know that this duvet was $100? I need y'all to hear me. $100 US.
You gotta pass me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else but you. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. Right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. Right around the slap me out, I think I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world, baby, when I'm not talking to me. Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body, if it felt like all that you do know. But we'll never fall out of love with you.
Hey guys, so I am back home now, and I ended up spending way more money than I expected. I left the house like, cool, I'm gonna spend like $100. I'm gonna go to Home Goods to get one gift I had to get from there, and then go to Fairway, get groceries, and come back home. But it did not happen like that. Okay, I went to Home Goods and they were fully stocked and they were restocking. So I'm like, let me see what I always needed from Home Goods that I can find. So the first thing that I was looking for, I don't know if I told you guys, but I want to put like a bench in front of my window area. So I saw one at TJ Maxx earlier in Vlogmas, and I slept on it. I was just like, I don't need to buy this right now. I need to focus on gifts first. And now that I basically have everyone's gifts secured, I can, you know, worry about that now. So when I went back to TJ Maxx, they did not have it anymore. They had two that day I went, but they didn't have it. So I'm like, let me just go back to square one. So I wanted to be gray. I wanted to be like high enough where it's not like blocking my window. And I wanted to have like an ottoman function so I can like store things in it. Like I wanted to flip up. So I'm still on the hunt for that. I'm gonna check the Home Goods and Marshalls in New Rochelle Wednesday, maybe this week or next week, to see if I could find anything. But yeah, I'm like, people probably not checking for that right now. Like, people checking for gifts, not home decor, if that makes sense. So maybe I'll have some luck, fingers crossed. But let me show you guys what I picked up. So I got a new sheet set for my bed because I just feel like my sheets, I've had them for a long time and they just have to go. One thing about me is I'll keep my sheets on my bed, rewash them, put them back on, rewash them, put them back on, and then once I'm done, I just throw them away and get a new set. Like, I don't have sets where I like switch it out. I don't know, y'all could comment and let me know how you guys are. But I got this set. This is from Calvin Klein. This was $39.99, and as you guys can see, it's like gray and white because I really wanted white, but they didn't have plain white. So I was like, this is the closest thing. So from far away, it looks like plain, like white. But then when you get close up, you can see like the details of the gray and the white. So I got this. It comes with a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and 2 standard pillowcases. And it is 100% combed cotton sateen. I don't know what that means. I just hope it don't keep me hot. But yeah, I got this. And then I finally got a duvet fill. So first of all, I've been in the store. Listen, I'm not a home decor nothing. I'm not home interior nothing. I'm a regular girl who goes to the store, buys what she needs, and comes back home, okay? So I never really looked for a duvet in store before. Well, I have been looking recently because I do have a duvet cover, which I have, like, I put on my bed, but it didn't have the filling in it. So I've been going to Home Goods looking like, oh, let me see something that says duvet, no duvet. So I'm like, okay, cool. I'll probably look for one on Amazon. But I called Kim for some reason. I'm like, Kim, because Kim used to work in Macy's in like the home section. So I'm like, if I'm looking for a duvet, what is it gonna say on it? And she was like, it has to say down comforter. So I got this one. This is from the brand Westex, and it says premium recycled down alternative comforter, 400 thread count. And Kim was telling me she looked online and they range from like 200 to 600. So it depends on like how heavy or light you want your covers to be, since it is like the filling. So 600 is the max, so that's like if you want a heavy cover. But I was like, no, like give me the mid. So I got the 400, and y'all, this was $100. I said, nobody told me that duvets were so expensive, but it makes sense because if you think about it, I'm never gonna have to purchase another like comforter again as long as I have this size bed. So I was just like, let me just drop the coin. This is a little Christmas gift to myself. But I want to like wash my sheets that I just bought in the cover so I can make my bed up for tonight, because my sleep tonight gonna be popping, okay? It's gonna be real elite. Some more gifts came in the mail, and I did purchase a gift at Home Goods, so I'm about to wrap those too, just so I can like have those done, because the last thing I want to do on Christmas Eve is wrap anyone's gift, okay? So I'm about to do that real quick. And I just put my poll on Instagram to ask you guys. So I asked you guys on Instagram which get ready with me you guys want to see, whether it be chit chat or form one. So once I get responses for that, I'm gonna start getting ready. I gotta figure out what I'm putting on. So much to do, so little time. I'm gonna start editing this video so it can actually go up on time tomorrow. And I'm really in love with the way my nails came out. Like, I'm getting better, because one thing about me is once I get this Gel Mini skill down pat, nail salon who? Nail tech wear, because that's me. So I'm in my little gift wrapping corner. Let's see. I just realized that I have to go to Cross County today because I have to return something in Zara, and today's the last day for the return, and I really don't want the item. So I'm gonna eat and just run to Cross County real quick, because I really don't want that item. Literally, I am the best gift giver ever. Like, oh my god. Ooh. But I'm the best gift giver ever, to the point where I want to keep everything that I buy for people. So that be the issue.
It's another way. All my niggas on go, and I hope that you know it. I can't even close my eyes, and I don't know why. Guess I don't like surprises. I can't even stay away from the game that I play. They gon' know us today. Hey.
Okay, so Alex and Tori are teaching me TikTok dances. My nieces. Okay. Not to dropping grandma stuff. Alex, say hi. Hi. She's turning 11 tomorrow. Oh, don't act shy. Okay. Is there a name of this dance or are we just doing it?
No, I don't know.
Oh, I didn't learn that. Oh yeah, see, I told you it's like that. The guy who's standing in the back.
Nothing.
Oh, so maybe that could be me. Oh, okay. Okay, so maybe the guy in the back was not doing nothing. Everybody's gonna be in a TikTok on them.
Okay, let's try an easier one.
Yeah, easy.
Sixth grade, I got the bag raised. I was in love with my soda. She musically moves, you trapping me. Mostly friends, action.
What? Yeah, kiss my what? Kiss my what? Why are you listening to this?
What's up, guys? Make sure you guys like and comment and subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Okay. Hello guys, Kendra from the future here. I realized that I didn't end off this vlog, so I came back on to do the right thing, period. So yeah, I'm behind on Vlogmas, I know, and I feel so bad about it, but I just know that I'm gonna finish, so I'm not even bothered. But yeah, I'm just trying to get myself together. But honestly, I just been spending time with my family, my friends, like just relaxing, enjoying this time off, and making sure I'm not overworking myself. So hopefully you guys understand. But this is Vlogmas day 22, so we have 23, 24, 25, so 3 more videos. I already have one of them recorded. I'm gonna edit it and upload it so it can go up the day after, and then I just have 2 more videos to do, and we got this. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. As you guys saw, I unboxed my Yeezys. I went like home decor shopping, got my new sheets and stuff, which I still haven't put on my bed, so I actually have to do that today. And I wrapped gifts. If you guys want to see more details on how I wrap gifts, check out Vlogmas day 13 because I explain everything in detail there. I'll link it down below in the description box too, so you guys can check it out right after watching this video. And I celebrated my niece's 11th birthday. So happy belated birthday, Alex. And I was just doing TikTok dances with them. Yeah. I don't know if it's age or what, but my body don't be moving like that anymore. I remember when we used to be in gym parties in school, jumping on the walls, going crazy. I'm thinking about it now, like, how did I used to do that? Hand up in the air, foot cop, not at this age, okay? So the TikToks, we'll leave it to the younger folks, because everybody always asks me, why you don't have TikTok? Why you don't have TikTok? And you can obviously do other things on TikTok, but for me, it's just too much. YouTube, y'all know I be posting consistently already. Plus Instagram, which I be slacking off on. Plus a whole nother platform, TikTok. Baby, no. Something's getting left behind, and it might be me. So, yeah, it was fun. But your girl could not keep up with the young folks. So that's that on that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you guys did, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what stood out to you guys in this video, what you guys enjoyed. And until my next video, which will definitely be tomorrow because it's already recorded, baby. Then I'll see you guys later.